Hey, how's it going, sir? Can I help you? Oh, shit! Shots fired. Shots fired. Put down the gun! Put it down! Put down the gun! Stuck over there? Yeah. Have you been hanging out there for a while?
Sitting there until
Are you on probation for or anything like that? Hey, how's it going, sir? Can I help you? Oh, shit! Shots fired. Shots fired. Put down the gun! Put it down! Put down the gun! Shots fired. Drop the gun! Show me your hands now!
still moving.
Drop the gun! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Drop it!
Show me your hands now!
Drop the gun, he's manipulating it. Put it down! Put the gun down now! Still moving.
Still moving!
He's pulling the hammer on it.
Oh!
You alright?
Yeah.
Get back inside!
I'm gonna attack reload.
Put the gun down now! Drop it! Drop the gun!
We're getting orders.
He's Drop moving. It! Put the gun down! Drop it!
Are you hurt?
Angle on him,
No,
right?
I'm good.
Right. Somebody grab a long gun if you can.
Let's grab a long gun.
Long gun.
Drop the gun on the ground now!
Down.
He's down?
Yeah.
Grab a long gun.
Hold on. Grab a long gun.
He's awesome.
Hey, get it down now! Drop it now!
Sam, we got shots fired. Subject rolled up on us with a gun. Copy a plate.
Drop the gun!
Hey, get your hands up now!
Show me your hands!
Drop it!
Show me your hands now!
He's still got the gun. He's manipulating it. Put it down! Put the gun down now!
Still moving!
He's pulling the hammer on it.
Alright,
Hey, Make sure you got cover. Get cover. Put it down.
Attack reload.
Put the gun down now. Drop it. Drop the gun. Drop it. Put the gun down. Drop it.
Angle on him, Ryan? Good.
Hey, somebody grab a long gun if you can.
Grab a long gun.
Long gun.
Drop the gun on the ground now.
He's down.
Yeah.
Well, hold on. Grab a long gun.
These officers are
What? What?
Drop the gun! Show me your hands now! Move it. Hey, drop the gun! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Drop it! Show me your hands now! Drop the gun. He's manipulating it.
Come on, you're right here.
Put it down! Put the gun down now! Still moving. Still moving.
Hey, he's pulling the hammer on it.
Come on your left, Sarge. Hey, his hands still up. Get cover.